Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to start now. You can mute yourself.
How can I record, sir?
No worry, I'm recording. I'll give it to you.
Okay.
You can mute yourself. Okay, so this is the second class, and we are going to cover these couple of topics which I have mentioned in the our notepad. Okay. So first of all, we are going to in the previous class we already understand, like, what are the software is required, that I already told you, and hopefully you will be get ready. This is the software number one. Here we'll be getting the Apache and MySQL, and you have to install editor like bracket or notepad plus plus, anyone or both you can go ahead. Okay. Now see, basic understanding of WordPress, what does it mean, like what we can do with the WordPress, what are the different types of website you can create. Like, that initially, basic understanding of the WordPress, what does it mean, means, what is the flow of the WordPress, what we can do in the WordPress, what type of website we can create in the WordPress, how easy or how complex, what are the different components are there in the WordPress. Okay. The first point is, WordPress we can create blogging kind of website. Okay, blogging means, where somebody will read the content and they can write the comments. Okay, so that type of websites are called blogging. But nowadays, see, previously when the WordPress got launched, it was best suited for the a small type of website. But now it's not a case. We can create big website also using the WordPress, and their WordPress functionality will be plugins based. Okay, see what is plugins. Plugin, see what is plugin. Plugin means WordPress is giving a set of rule to create a bunch of file to achieve some task. Okay, like, they'll be telling to follow the steps. You create this file with this name, this extension, you give the plugin name, plugin description, what task, how to give the link, how to install, all those set of rules they will be giving. Okay, so what is plugin? A bunch of files which perform a specific task is called plugin. And uh, we have lots of default plugins in WordPress. Okay, like, like example, if I'm giving, uh, if you want to create a form, we have plugin, and not a plugin, lots of plugins are there, to create the form. Okay, if you want to create, let's say, uh, menu or mega drop down menu, if you want to create mega drop down menu, for that also we have plugin. Okay, if you want to create a photo gallery. Photo gallery, we have one plugin. If you want to create banner slider, banner slider in home page, we have a plugin. Okay, so we have lots of default plugins are there. See, default plugin means the plugin which is already exist. Plugin already exist. Okay, like if you want to search uh, create plugin, see here form 7 plugin is there, I know, but how to search the plugin WordPress plugin to create form. Okay, if you want to create the form, we have lots of plugin. Okay, see, they are giving a couple of plugins here. I will tell you which one is the best plugin. Once the class will move, I will tell you. Because for to achieve one functionality, we have lots of plugins are there. You can see they are giving the gravity form plugin. See, contact form, I was talking about this one. Contact form, gravity form. So these are the two popular one. Even though so many are there, you can see these all plugins are there. You can use any one and you can create the form. Okay, so like that, we are going to search the plugins. Okay, that we will how to search, how to integrate, how to implement, I will tell you all those. Okay, see what are the other different components is there in the WordPress. See, component means will be having the page or post. Okay, page or post. Page means is kind of page where some basic information will be there. Like if you go to my website called Ruchi Web Solutions, you'll find the WordPress training page. Page means you read, that's it. Post means you read the content, in the bottom some comment option is there, that is called post. Basic info without comment and with comment. Okay, that's the basic difference. That's the basic difference in the page and post. Components in WordPress. Then users will be there. Okay, users. Again, user have different role. Like admin is also one user, and I am going to my some website, I can register, I can log in, I am also one user. So user and user roles will be there. Users and user role means role based user will be there. We can assign the role. Let's say I have one in my company, I have one WordPress website is there, and I have 3 employee here. All 3 employee are working on the same project. One employee just changing the content, one employee just creating the page, creating the blog, he can delete also, but other employee he can just modify, he cannot delete. So different roles are there. Okay, so that type of user is called role based user. Okay, Apart from that, you know, like theme will be there. Like, what is theme in the WordPress? Theme means how your design will look like. Okay, and again theme have uh, primary primary theme is there and child theme is there. What is the difference primary theme and child theme? See, we have one primary theme is there. In primary theme CSS they already define that same theme I'm using, CSS I'm using, but I want to modify some this theme, so I'm creating separate file and I'm modifying. So I'm not disturbing the primary theme structure. I'm creating my own theme, child theme, but I'm using the resource of the primary theme. Okay, so these concepts are how to do, I will tell you. The class will move once we'll go with the theme development classes, there we will see. Then we will be having the plugins concept. What is plugin and all, we have seen here lots of you know what is plugin and what are those plugins. Lots of plugins are there. Okay, and those plugin till now whatever we discussed, gravity, contact form, see this is already there. This is already there, and we can create our own plugin also. So we'll be having here uh, default plugin and custom plugin. Custom plugin means, you know, I will create my own plugin. Okay, but for this you should be good in PHP and HTML, CSS, all those. If you don't know PHP, maybe I will explain you. Maybe you can understand, but little problem will come because we need the server side scripting language to understand or to write. Okay, so those type of functionality we can create using the plugin. Okay. So this is the basic understanding of the WordPress. Now, now I'm going to tell you how we are going to install the WordPress, because to move the class, we need to install it in our local machine. Okay. So installation part I'm going to tell you how we are going to install the WordPress in our local machine. Uh, yeah, locally how we are going, and again I'm going to provide you the notes also. In the notes also how to install the WordPress, it is already there, all the all the steps. Like, first of all you have to create the database, then you have to download the WordPress software from wordpress.org website, and then how to do, what are the steps we are going to follow, that I'm going to explain you. Okay, so you already XAMPP, see, we already installed the XAMPP, right? XAMPP. See, without this we cannot do anything, because this is the here we are going to run the Apache and MySQL, and without running the Apache. What is Apache? Apache is the web server. Means in my local machine, Apache will get the request and give the response. Yesterday we discussed about the, like, how we are sending the request, how we are getting the response, right? So on that case, server is sending the response. In my case, local machine itself, my system will behave like a client and server. So for that, we need one software, Apache. And Apache and MySQL is also required because we are going to create dynamic website. So MySQL is also required. So I'm not downloading this one because I have already running in my machine. I need to go here and install it, and I already install here, so I'm not installing. And you can see here we are getting here running locally. Okay, this is already running here. So just to make sure, whenever you want to install the WordPress, you already install the XAMPP and run Apache and MySQL. Run Apache and MySQL. Okay. For for me, you can see it is already running Apache green color, MySQL green color, means it is running. Okay. If you want to, previously it will like that, and I click here on start button, so it is running. This will turn into green color. Yeah, so now it's running. Okay. Second thing, see, once it is running, then if you go to browser and type here localhost, how do I check my Apache is running or not? Simply type localhost slash, see, localhost means welcome page is coming. Actually I deleted my welcome page. Okay, but now next step, uh, open this link and create one database. This is the PHP MyAdmin tool. Once you start the Apache in MySQL, this tool by default is there. How do I check? If you go here to your C drive, because C drive only I installed, and you're able to see here PHP MyAdmin, means all those programming are there, creating the database and all is already there here. And you can see here one database tab is there here. Okay, and here we are going to create one database. Okay, so I'm going to create here database called WordPress underscore, not here, here, WordPress underscore, let's say 1 p.m. Click here, create. See, database got created. Our task is done. Table and all that WordPress will take care. I created one database with this name. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do, go to WordPress.org website. WordPress.org website. See, this is the WordPress.org website, and you can see there is a download link is there. See, I'm downloading the WordPress 4.9.8. Version is 4.9.8. 4.9.8. Okay, means whatever latest version is there, you download it. So I'm downloading here. So from where I'm downloading, this is the link, download WordPress software. Okay, this is the link I'm giving. From here we are downloading. Okay, Next, what I'm going to do, create one folder in htdocs. Now, where is htdocs? Yes, if you see here, there is a htdocs folder is there. Better I will write here full path. Okay, in C drive, I'm creating one folder with the same name, whatever my database name is there. Why? Because it is easy for me, because so many copy are running in my local WordPress. I have different batches are there, and how do I know for this folder what is the database name? So it's my habit, database name and folder name I keep the same, so it will be easy for me to understand. So let me go here and create one folder. Okay, so what I did here till now, create one folder in this one, htdocs, in htdocs with name of htdocs. I have created one folder with this name. Okay, and paste all the files and folder which you downloaded from WordPress.org. Just now we downloaded, right? This one. See, this folder is completely blank, right? Here only that downloaded files and folder will go. Okay. So what I did here, you whatever steps you want to follow, you unzip or whatever you want to do. I'm just going inside, and I'm going and I'm selecting here. Simply I'm dragging here. So even though I'm not unzipping, I just double click and select all the file and go to folder and drag it. So by default, so I'm not creating additional again one folder inside the folder, otherwise confusion will come. This is the actual files and folder inside the folder. Okay, so we in this folder we pasted all the files which we downloaded from here. Next, what I'm doing here, uh, open browser and type, what I'm going to type, local host slash my folder name. What is my folder name? This is the folder name. So then installation will start. Then installation will start. You can see. See, they are asking what language you want to create the website. By default, English is coming. I'm just clicking continue. Okay. So for this one, language is English. Whatever default are there, that is coming. Next, welcome to WordPress is coming. Just click on let us go. Okay, let us go. Let us go. Next, database information they are asking. Database name, you already know we created one database name here. Okay, so same database name I am putting here. Make sure it should be same. Okay, username, Database name is this one. Username always will be root, and database password blank. Now do not enter anything. Do not enter anything. Okay, because as per our local setting, password will be blank. So I'm just rest keep as it is. Don't change localhost and this one. Rest value keep same, and after that click on submit. Submit. कहाँ पे? Submit. Here? No, no. This is the prefix, like database tables. Every table beginning में ये नाम रहेगा. Okay, multiple database का ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इसमें. And then run the installation. हाँ हाँ, बारिश हो रहा है क्या? आ रहा है मेरी आवाज? हेलो. Just give me 1 minute. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write the site name. See, next page site name will be there. Site name. Site name you write anything. Let's say I'm writing Ranjan website, and or anything you will write. Ruchi Web Solutions I'm writing here. Just 1 minute. So what we are doing here, username always keep for better understanding admin, and password also keep admin easy to remember. Email ID, you can give some email ID. Sometime forget password will be there, so it will be easy to uh, uh, easily you can change your password. Your on email ID reset link and all will go. And you can see here login. Okay, so now you can log in using the user ID and password. Admin ID, I wrote admin, password, admin, email ID. These all information you can change later also in the admin panel. So admin. Now you log into admin here, admin and admin password is there. Now this is our admin panel. Okay, and if you want to open another tab, this is your front end. So admin panel means WP admin. Website name slash WP admin means it will go to admin panel. So this is our admin link, and again front end link also is there. Front end is this one, right? So hopefully installation part you understood how we are going to install. Okay, and after that, we will start this one. Okay, so till now, do you have any question or anything till here? Now we will go inside the admin. Okay, see, first of all, as I told, like, we have update options are there. Admin here, admin can change their details. Like, you can here, basically here, edit my profile. Here you can change your email ID. You can change your password. You can change your couple of informations. Okay, change a new password. Like mostly, once our website is done, and being a developer, we need to give all those information to site owner. Site owner later they will change it. Okay, so in the top right edit profile, top right edit profile, here we can edit some info, like password, user, what do you call, upload. We can upload the images also. Admin can upload their image, so it will come on the everywhere. Okay, like right now you can see here nothing is coming here. You can change here, or you can change avatar kind of things here. Different types of avatar you will get. Here we have a little bit theme is also there. If you want to change the theme, you can change the theme also. Okay, so theme also you can change here. You can write your name, your first name, last name, your website name. Those information also you can write something. Okay, although this is not going to display anywhere. Okay, if you view source, control U, then you can see here that how the links are coming, because we are running in locally, so all those are coming as a local host. Okay, and how we are going to make or upload on the server, because server we don't need these all links like local host and all. Okay, as per server it should come. So how we are going to change, and if you go here and refresh, see, I created only table, sorry, database, but by default in the database 9 table is coming here. Okay, if you go and check database, 9 table by default got created. Okay, by default 9 table got created. See, user table is there, and you can able to see here WP. Just now we discussed about what is WP underscore. Every table have WP underscore, means while installing whatever name you want to give, let's say my company name is Ruchi Web Solutions. So normally we follow some abbreviation RWS. For my company I can give RWS, something like that. Okay. So user table, see user table right now you can see here only one user is there. Okay, admin, being an admin I am the one of the user. Okay, or maybe in the future somebody will come and they will register. Let's say for example, see right now we have only login options are there, registration options are not there. Okay, in front end, only login option is there. We do not have register option. How to give? You have to go to admin, and you can find here setting, and in the setting general setting you can see here membership any can register. So if you go to admin, then setting, and then general setting, general, check anybody, what we have, any can register, any can register, any can register. See here, I'm checking here, and then click on save change, and then go to front end once again and refresh it. Here you can see, you're able to see register links has come. Previously it was not there. Now I can register here. Let's say I'm going to register as a Ranjan, and email ID ranjan at the rate of php to ranjan.com. Register. Now we go to database here and refresh. You are able to see here 2 records. So like that, WP register table, WP register table list of user will come. Okay. See, this is also important, called WP option. WP, see WP option, once we make our website live, once we make our website live, then change the local host to server. Got it? See here, what option we are getting here? This option. This is our URL. Let's say I want to make one website, upload on website somewhere, let's say Ruchi Web Solutions.com. So I have to write like this, http:// Ruchi Web Solutions. That's it. Okay, like that we have to do here as well as here, wherever our host name is there on that place. Mostly only to first line and second line only we are going to change. Okay, and description and all you can change later through admin panel also. And rest I will explain you later, because it is not required now to explain, or maybe you cannot understand. Okay, so that's the reason this other table I'm not explaining you. Here links will come, here all the post will come, terms will come, taxonomy. So I need to explain what is taxonomy, what is terms and all, then you can easily you can understand. Okay, so so I will stop here now. We will move to admin panel, although we entered into admin panel, but we haven't done anything till now. Okay. Uh, from here, in the next class, I'm going to start. Okay. And tomorrow is Saturday and again Sunday. So mostly Monday to Friday our class will be there. So
Okay, sir.
again we are going to meet Monday at 12 o'clock. So now our new timing is 12 o'clock really. Got it?
Okay, sir.
We are not going to connect another meeting. Hello.
Yes,
Can
sir.
I